you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Okay, nieces and nephews, we're going to take this area here and transform it into a cute little nook. Yes, I'm just going to clean it up and show you what I do. All right, let's get started. The waterfall. Yes, nieces and nephews, the first step is to clean up. Gotta have a clean area before you can do anything. So I'm going to go in here and remove these weeds because they're overshadowing everything. Plus, I'm going to put some solar lights over here. And you know what? It makes it look better. Thank you, Nina. She was trying to help. Now, we're going to move over here, clear this area because, yep, we're making the hole to put the reservoir for the water. Yeah, the first time wasn't deep enough. So I'm just going to put this down a little deeper and voila, success. I'm taking these rocks to hide the rim of the container. Plus, it makes it look really cool, like a secret pond, you know. I'm so dramatic. Now this part is easy. I got a pump, as you see right here. Then I got a 1/2-inch tube where the water's going to flow, okay? I put it with this screw attachment to the top part right here, which allows it to flow down the waterfall. All I got to do is screw that part in, which I thought was going to be simple, but yeah, okay. Yeah, it took me just a minute to get that in there to make sure the threads were lined up. But now that they are, let's go over here. Now I'm just going to place this, okay? Now all I'm going to do is line it up so the pump is right there with the container for the water. Which was easier said than done. Because it's brand new, the wires might be a little resistant to stretching, bending, turning, but you'll get it. Just work it out. It'll work, okay? So I'm just making sure that the pump is in its right position. It's got to be covered by water, okay? But you don't want it to necessarily be seen, okay? Now I'm going to take the power cord, run it under there as well, and hide it with some mulch and some rocks. You won't even see it, okay? I'm just lining it up, making sure it's right, making sure it meets the rocks, pump is in the right position, and we should be good to go. Adding some water, fill up the pond as far as it can go. Make sure the fountain is plugged in and running to ensure you have enough water in the pump. Got more work to do, but it's going to be so cool. Okay, nieces and nephews, you got to stay tuned for part 2 of the fountain, where I decorate it with some more mulch and do a whole lot of other things to make it look better. But look at it so far. Now, I want to show you the cute little patio set I'm going to set up right next to it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now, we're going to have a part 2 to this. See how I do it step by step all this summer until we have the perfect backyard.